We are going for the Premier League, actually. We have a very good squad, No. I know it might be funny, yeah, but we have a very good squad.
I feel inexperience is going to affect Chelsea. Inexperience. These guys are too young.
What inexperience are we talking about again?
Too young.
If we keep giving excuses.
When last were Chelsea in the title race? When last were Chelsea in the title race? Like when last did Chelsea see themselves, okay, we are going for the title.
Don't worry. Don't worry. This is we've said it. We are going for the title, and my manager has said it. We are going for the title. What do you expect? We are going for the title. It doesn't matter when. Okay, when is history. Now we are in the title race. We are going to win the league.
A few moments later.
Man, our defense is poor. See, the only place we are good at, in our defense is the right back and the left back.
I told you earlier this season that your defense was going to shake. You told you were going to challenge for the title. I told you that this defense cannot win the league.
The title, let me tell you something. Let me tell you the truth. The title is gone.